Hello everyone. In this video bengithanda sikhulume nge-seed phrase. I-seed phrase amagama awu-12 owathola uma creator i-crypto wallet. Mozoba ne-hot wallet, iLuno no-Binance bayakubambela i-seed phrase yakho. But mozoba ne-cold wallet, uwena kuphela owazi i-seed phrase. So yini i-seed phrase? I-seed phrase u-master key okunika i-full access kwi-crypto wallet yakho. Even if ungalahlekelwa email address yakho, phone number yakho, or ukhohle i-password yakho, i-seed phrase iyona ezokusiza ukuthi ukwazi ukurecover i-crypto wallet yakho. I-seed phrase iyasiza futhi mawufuna ukuwithdrawa imali from i-Bitcoin ATM. Emhlabeni wonke kukhona ama-Bitcoin ATM. Moya kuyona awufaki i-password, ufaki i-email address, ufaki i-phone number, ufaka i-seed phrase. Iyona econnectayo kwi-wallet mase uyakwazi ukuwithdrawa imali. Mose China imali uzokwazi ukuyikhipha kuzoba ama-yen. Mose America imali uzokwazi ukuyikhipha kwi-Bitcoin ATM kuzobe i-dollar. Nala eSouth Africa sinawo ama-Bitcoin ATM. I hope le video ikusizile ukuthi u-understand ukuthi yini i-seed phrase. Usuyoxoxa nommeli wakho ukuthi nifake kwi-will or uyibhale ephepheni, uyifihle emva kwesithombe, uyifihle emva kwamata. Utshele someone ukuthi moshona une-seed phrase khona bezokwazi uku-accessa ama-crypto akho. Ngiyabonga.